In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and control a point light in Blender. We'll begin by adding the light. Make sure your mouse is in the 3D viewport, then press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Navigate to Light and choose Point. A point light will appear at your 3D cursor, which is the small target icon in your scene. Wherever that cursor sits is where the light spawns, so don't worry if it's not exactly where you want it. We'll place it next. Positioning is simple. Press G to move the light and follow it with X, Y, or Z. To constrain the movement to a single axis if you need precision, you can rotate with R, but because a point light emits evenly in all directions, rotation has little visual impact. If you want quick visual control over its size, press S to scale. This can be handy for rough blocking. Just remember that many artists prefer to adjust the actual light radius in the properties for consistent results. With the light selected, open the Light Properties panel, the icon that looks like a light bulb. Three settings matter most here. Power controls the brightness, increase it to fill a darker scene, or decrease it if highlights look blown out. Think of this like the wattage of a bulb. Color sets the light's hue and temperature. Use a warmer tone for cozy or sunset vibes, or a cooler tone for moonlight or clean clinical lighting. Radius governs how soft the lights fall off and shadows appear. A small radius yields sharper, more defined shadows, while a larger radius softens edges and spreads light more gently across surfaces. To evaluate your changes accurately, switch your viewport shading to Material Preview or Rendered. Use the shading icons in the top right of the viewport, or press Z and choose the mode. Material Preview is quick and gives a solid impression of how the light interacts with materials. Rendered provides the most accurate look according to your render engine, which is ideal when fine-tuning brightness and softness. As you refine, nudge the light with G to adjust distance and coverage, and balance that with the radius for the softness you want. If the scene feels too flat, try a subtle color shift. If it's too hot, reduce power or pull the light back slightly, and that's it. You've added a point light, positioned it, adjusted power, color, and radius, and previewed the results in real time. Save your work, and you're ready to light the rest of your scene with confidence.